Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First thing first, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nurul Azifah Karamah with ID number 20400124007, and I made this video formally to complete the assignment 5 of morphology and syntax. So without any further ado, let's get started to the question number 1. Question number 1 is, what are the main types of compounding in English, and can you provide example for each? So, according to Platt 2003, English compounds can be grouped based on the part of speech of each word and the result they make together. Understanding these types helps students know the meaning and use of compounds better. There are 5 main kinds. The first is noun plus noun compounds. This is the most common type. For example, toothbrush, classroom, hairbrush, and the second noun decided the overall meaning. Verb plus noun compounds. For example, pickpocket, scarecrow, and their meanings are not always clear from the two words, so learners must understand them from the context. So the third is adjective plus noun compounds. For example, greenhouse, blackboard, and the adjective gives more detail about the noun. And also noun plus verb or verb plus verb compounds, less common but still exist. For example, sunshine, it's a noun plus verb. And also babysit, it's a verb plus verb. And also preposition plus noun or verb compounds. For example, underworld, overthrow, and this often describe position or direction. Knowing these types helps learner guess meanings of new compounds and even make their own. For according to Bayer and Rain of 2001. And we move to the second question is, what is the difference between semantic transparency and opacity in compound words? Liber 2009 says that compound words can be transparent or opaque in meaning. Transparent compounds are easy to understand because the meaning is clear from the two words. For example, bedroom is a room with a bed, and also opaque compounds can have meanings that are hard to guess. For example, like butterfly and honeymoon. Knowing this helps learners understand that not all compounds can be translated word by word. Some must by learned by memorize and context. The third question is, how does stress placement impact the interpretation of compound words? So, Roach 2009 explained that where we put stress or emphasis in word help us know if it's a compound or just a phrase. Compound noun is a blackboard, stress on the first word, and process is an adjective plus noun, blackboard, stress on the second word. In the most compounds, the first part is stressed, while in process, the second part is. Learning these stress patterns helps students pronounce words better and understand spoken English more easily. And also, the fourth question is, describe the compound scavenger hunt activity and its educational objective. So, objective to help students find and understand compound words in real life. Examples for activity is like students look for compound words around them in books, posters, or classroom objects. They write them down, group them by type like noun or adjective plus noun, and discuss what each means. These activities make students more active and helps them notice how compounds are used in daily English. Nation 2001. And finally, to the Question number 5. What are some strategies for distinguish compound words from passes in the classroom? So students often confuse compounds with normal phrases. Teachers can use these ways to help. It's a stress pattern. Compound stress, the first word, it's like blackboard. And also presses stress in the second, blackboard. And also meaning, compounds form one new meaning. Toothbrush is a tool for teeth. Presses are more literal, like greenhouse. House that is green. And also modifiability. It means that presses can take modifiers. A fairy blackboard. Compounds cannot. A fairy blackboard. And also spelling. Compounds may be written together, hyphenated, or separated. For example, like blackboard, mother-in-law, and also ice cream. And finally, the context practice. It's activities like compounds scavenger hunt. It helps students practice in real example.